All right. So now I want to talk about the power of having a virtual ghostwriter to make your life a lot easier for many, many things. But before I do that, I want to do a meta lesson. So basically, one of the beautiful things about learning how to use AI tools is you can simply ask AI tools how to use AI tools. So, for example, before showing you how I use a ghostwriter, I'm going to actually show you how to make it if you had no idea how. So basically, I just started a naked JPT-5 query here. And I said, I want to make a GPT be a ghostwriter for me. I want to be able to feed outlines and have output articles written in my voice, walk you through the process step by step. It's an awesome goal. It tells me I got to label my voice. I've got to choose my build path, whatever that means. It defines my production workflow. Okay, I'm starting to get a little scared here. Voice pass links, is a lot of stuff. Install guardrails, don't invest this, etc. So this is all interesting. And then, of course, I get what looks like code, copy paste templates to use verbatim. To be perfectly honest, I'm actually kind of overwhelmed right now. I'm seeing custom GP instructions. So, and I finally an outline and a brief and a draft, version prompts, how to feed the outline. So this is going to be too much, right? So I'll keep going, and now it's talking about APIs. Let's pretend I don't even know what an API is. I'm really scared. And it's asking me, am I ready to build? And I'm like, please give me a simple plan that involves no coding, right? So then it tells me a much simpler plan. It asks me to collect samples of my writing, to create a voice guide, set up a custom GPT, and talks about workflow and improving. And I'm like, okay, hey, look, can I just upload my writing sample to you and you make the voice guide? And he's like, oh, that's the fast way to do it. So then I'm asked it how many words it wanted. And then it told me minimum 2,000, ideal 5,000, 8,000, and then maximum helpful 10,000. So all I did at that point was make two simple files. One's called writing sample. And what I did here is I just copy pasted articles I had done all into one Word doc. Um, And I also had already had a document that kind of describes the company's core values, which I wrote. In this document, goes through all of our core values, action, growth, teamwork, action, efficiency, and as well. But of course, it's all written in my voice. So it's a lot of content written by me. So I uploaded those two documents. I explained the writing samples got multiple articles and that the other file has written by me. It also has biographical data and my personal core values and business core values in it. It responds that it's walked through them both and now created a voice guide that can drop straight into the custom GPT or as a reference in Ghostwriting. So then I get this Neil Suss voice guide. So then I took that and I clicked the copy button. And then I went and I just pasted it into a simple text file. Which looks like this. So I just copy pasted this. I'll just do it again for you so you can see. Click copy. Just paste it in here. Save that. And then I copy these instructions here. The instructions are provided, sorry, here. And I went and created a new GPT, which is called here. It's actually called Virtual Neil here. I'm just going to show you what I did. So I just pasted the instructions into here, and then I put in the voice guide as attachment, and just in case I uploaded a picture of myself because you just never know. So now, and then I clicked update, and we have the Ghostwriter. So then if you want to see it in action, it's very straightforward. I just went to that GPT Ghostwriter and I said, make a LinkedIn article explaining why I love Agile software development. That's all I said. I didn't bother with the audience or anything else. And then it writes the article, why I love Agile. It talks about history, talks about my consulting. It talks about people, not post-its, something, expression I could definitely see myself saying. Talks about 3 reasons to come back. It knows I love lists. And it knows like to close the final thought. And then I asked it, hey, make a short paragraph to post when I share this article. It made a punchy paragraph. And then, of course, I asked it, can you go ahead and add a graphic? I'm not super impressed by this graphic, but it'll do. So that is how you make a ghostwriter and then use a ghostwriter. And you'll actually see it in different use cases later.